This is my first time ever taking something out like this. This is cool. It made it more enjoyable. I've never seen anything like this. So we're here at South by Southwest with Mod Bikes today. I'm with Dor. He's gonna be taking us through the shop.
Let's start with a quick tour. We just moved in early this year. We built this place from scratch. It was only like 4 walls. Right here, we have our garage. So this is where we build the bikes. We do the maintenance before everything gets shipped. It goes through like inspection here. We have these like cool lifts. This is our warehouse. We store all the inventory here, and everything is being kind of like shipped in and out from here. This is a custom setup for the ride today.
Now, as cool as that is, I'm not just here to take the tour. Today, I'm checking out the refresh of their Easy e-bike with the updated Sidecar 3.
This is actually our new Easy 3 model that has a lot of cool upgrades. First of all, we have this color display that has a USB socket here at the bottom. These modes were like custom configured to provide a specific performance for a specific use. Fit mode, which I'm the most proud of, will allow you to work out with your regular bike and make it feel like you're riding a regular bike. We have cargo mode, so if you're with the sidecar or if you're with heavy cargo, you'll accelerate fast, and after that, it's gonna preserve energy.
How much do you trust me?
I trust you a lot. I think you got this. Link, I think I have found you a new vehicle, buddy. Coming in hot.
And in turbo, effortless.
Effortless.
By getting this bike and sidecar combo, you can easily take your pets, kids, or in my case, friends, along with you on your rides and adventures.
The new model, so this is the Easy, has a 48 volt, 15 amp battery. It's also compatible with our new dual battery setup. So you have this special mounting points here at the bottom. You can attach a second 15 amp battery and have a dual battery setup of 30 amps, which is crazy. You can do up to 50 miles on a single battery. So with two, it's almost up to 100 miles, which is pretty cool. We have a 750 watt rear hub motor. These are our motors, and what's cool about them is that the gears has like metal plates on both sides. So it's not just the nylon in the middle, but there's also the metal plates on the sides, which makes it a lot more reliable, and it can take a lot more without getting the gears break, which sometimes happens with some of the motors. Dual suspension, so both on the rear seat post, you have a suspension seat post with a very nice and comfortable seat. In the front, we have like a 100mm suspension in the front, which is very nice and comfortable. Together with kind of like the adjustable stem and the pedal position, this bike is very, very comfortable. Now accessories, obviously, that's our like favorite thing. This is our snap-on rack. And our snap-on rack is a patented design that we created, and it's compatible with our snap-on plate. And that means that you can just take any accessory in the snap-on family and snap it on.
Obviously, at $4,190, the Mod Easy with its Sidecar 3 isn't cheap, but undeniably, this is a head-turning e-bike with really cool retro styling that can easily switch from a standalone bike to a sidecar hauling beast within just a few clicks.
Oh, I got the crap helmet.
Nice.
So if you've been wanting to bring along your pet or your buddy with you on your bike rides and you want a bike that makes it feel easy and fun, then the Mod Easy with its Sidecar 3 might be worth checking out, assuming you have the cash for it. Now, turning did require a little bit more effort on my part, but altogether the Easy bike with its extra cargo felt extremely easy and intuitive to ride. In fact, it's like riding a bike with training wheels. You don't even have to worry about balancing anymore.
This is my first time ever taking something out like this. I've done e-bikes, but nothing with the sidecar. It was effortless, really. Like, I thought it would, like, the stability would be weird, because I've done like cargo bikes before, and that like kind of like changes like the whole balance of everything, you know? Yeah. Like, it almost feels like I have to work harder. With this, no, honestly, like it made it more enjoyable. And then once we put in turbo mode, like, you know, the resistance at the start, like once I got it going, super easy. Yeah, this is cool. Thanks for letting me check it out.
I'm excited to give this a more in-depth test ride in the future, and maybe even try bringing along with me my 2 cats throughout New York City. But in the meantime, you can follow us everywhere at Tom's Guide for more awesome tech, and you can follow me to see all the other cool things I'm reviewing and testing out. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.